All of us dream of a perfect lawn, soft and green grass to walk on. However, sandy soil can make your dream of a perfect lawn seem far away from reality, and it is found in many parts of the world. But there is a catch to it. The best type of soil to grow grass on is sandy soil. It is because lawns are known to thrive in quick draining conditions. In this video, we will find out the best grass for sandy soil. Let us start with understanding what exactly is sandy soil. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best grass for sandy soil. Let's get started. Number 5. Tall fescue grass. Tall fescue grass is a very common and easy to find grass seed. Many homeowners like the tall fescue grass as it is generally considered to be low maintenance from a lawn care perspective. The temperatures do not have to be perfect for tall fescue to grow, and it can work in the shade or full sun. Tall fescue is also a smart option if you are looking for something drought resistant. Number 4. Zoysia grass. Zoysia grass continues to grow in popularity because of its long growing season, as well as its heat and traffic resistance. Zoysia grass can handle the hottest temperature and will work in the southern parts of the United States. One thing that homeowners love about zoysia is that it makes it very difficult for weeds to grow. The grass is dense and thick, and you will have no issues getting it to fill in during the growing season. Number 3. Bahia grass. Bahia grass is much easier to find in seed than zoysia. It holds up well in hot climates, and is very resistant to drought. The Bahia grass has a bit of a different look to it because it has broader leaves. In addition, the texture of the grass is coarse. If you are planting in sandy soil that is also directly in the sun, expect the Bahia grass to be a great option. Of all the grass varieties, this one will not burn out on you. Number 2. Bermuda grass. Bermuda grass is lawn grass that is also often used on golf courses. The great thing about Bermuda grass is that it needs very little water to survive and prosper. It's one of the most drought-resistant types of grass that you can find. The roots of Bermuda grass grow very deeply and will have better longevity than a shallow root grass seed. Bermuda grass is highly adapted to a sandy lawn, especially one in the southern part of the United States. If you want to establish new grass that will last for years to come, Bermuda grass is a great option to consider. Number 1. Centipede grass. Centipede grass is yet another option that does well in the heat. You won't have to worry quite as much about this grass burning out, and it's easier to find in a seed than something like zoysia grass seed. Centipede grass can work in light shade or full sun, and it is a very common option in the southwest area of the United States. The grass does hit a dormancy stage in the winter months, and it can be a bit sensitive when transitioning into the growing season.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.